Gavin fighting out of UFA, known as the Smiler. Great walkout song to walk out to.
Now we've got to see if Sliwinski can touch this.
This man has had over 200 bouts. And you'll see tonight, he's an absolute warrior. Most technically gifted fighter out of UFA. I'd say so myself.
Two well experienced fighters here. And here's a smile with a grin on his face.
Ladies and gentlemen, today's event has been brought to you by JackHammer Promotions. This is the 12th of the scheduled 30 contest in these
12th fight of the night.
boxing contest consisting of 3 2-minute rounds.
3 2-minute rounds of boxing.
Both fighters with a calm, composed look on their faces. Both know what they're in for. And we are off. Touch of the gloves.
Jab from Harvey.
Harvey trying to work with that left hand early on. Followed by Sliwinski. Oh, nice. Nice clean shots to wake them both up.
Nice shots from Harvey there. Harvey got him on the back foot. Oh, lovely from Harvey.
Oh, big shots.
Harvey teeing off.
And again,
Brilliant
got it in
body.
the corner. Sliwinski finds a way out for now. Working him straight back down. Oh,
Harvey teeing
really
off.
aggressive here.
Brilliant uppercut from Harvey. Nice shot from Dominic though.
Sliwinski really backing off here now.
Harvey smiling. Can Dominic
find an answer? That is the big question.
Dominic looking fatigued. Harvey waiting.
Really lining things up. Caught with a big shot there.
Lovely shots from Harvey.
Nice counter from Sliwinski.
Dominic looking very tired right now.
On the back foot too.
Let's see if Harvey can up the pace.
Nice first round, very positive for Harvey Gavin.
Brilliant round for Harvey.
Really came out with the power. I think for Sliwinski it's time to compose himself. You can't change the previous round, but you can go and change the next two. I think that's what he's going to look to do here. He's had many fights before, so it's nothing that's going to faze him. Fighters are used to being in these sort of positions. Now time comes to overcome a bit of adversity. Chris just dishing out some instructions there to Gavin. Sliwinski's corner just trying to get something into him too. Look for that uppercut. See how that fares for him later out in this fight.
Round two. Dominic taking the centre of the ring. Harvey with a nice uppercut there.
Nice.
Both fighters exchanging. Chris Bladen just telling Harvey to push him away. See a cut from Dominic's eye on the left side.
Nice. Sliwinski looking much better this round. Nice.
Lovely body shot from Dominic.
Oh, swing and a miss from Gavin.
Harvey shaking that off. Oh, lovely backhand from Harvey.
Good defensive work too, slipping in and out of them shots.
Chris Bladen frustrated with Harvey Gavin there in the corner, telling him to use his head.
Nice grin from Harvey. They don't call him the smiler for nothing.
Oh, lovely backhand from Dominic there. Nice shots there from Dominic.
Yeah, not sure.
Harvey's just waiting.
Them myself. The fight's starting to open up in this second round. Both fighters getting involved.
I want to see more from Harvey Gavin in this fight.
Definitely. I think if he comes out the next round with the same approach as the previous round to this one, it'll fare for him much better.
10 seconds left. Lovely shot. Dominic's still looking fatigued there. Let's see if Harvey can use this in the third and final round.
Interesting round there. Fight very open. Both fighters looking keen. Slight fatigue on Sliwinski. One more round to push through. Not sure that'll come into play too much. Instructions being dished out to both fighters now on how they can win this fight in this next round. Followed by Chris with a supersonic towel.
It's like a wind turbine, that towel is, mate, honestly.
Sliwinski really just soaking up the instructions from his coach. Harvey too.
Third and final round.
Who's going to come out of this bout in Burton victorious?
Both slugging it out.
Nice slump fest. Nice from Gavin.
Nice shots from Gavin. Oh, lovely uppercut from Gavin.
Oh,
lovely backhand
really
from Gavin there.
These shots here.
Dominic back with the shots though.
Reset called by the coaches, both of them taking the time. Oh, nice shot.
Lovely shot from Dominic there. Let's see if Gavin can put the pace up. Gavin smiling there. Not phased. Nice body shots from Dominic though.
I'm not sure I'd be too happy being hit with those.
Me too, mate. Let's see if Gavin can turn it up now. Ref just breaking him.
Gavin looking really composed.
Dominic on the back foot.
Maintaining that distance well. Harvey pushing him in there. Nice.
Nice jabs from Harvey.
Nice. Harvey looking really comfortable with the spacing at the moment, keeping his distance from his opponent, hitting and not getting hit. The fighter's dream. Nice.
Lovely shots from both fighters
Back against
there.
the rope. The ref breaks him up. Not for long though, they're straight back into it now. Swinging a miss there.
10 seconds left. Nice backhand from Dominic.
Pace. It's coming in here. Back against the ropes, and Gavin pushes him off.
I think that was all one's call, mate.
Me too.
I'm going to say that's a split decision.
Me too. I'd probably go split in Gavin's favour.
Gavin, yeah. Me too, mate.
I think the second 2 rounds are fairly even, but
the first round, Harvey Gavin definitely won that one.
Maybe a bit of ring rust for Dom after such a long time out.
Harvey's been out of the ring for a year now. Well, just under a year, like 11 months, something like that.
Oh, so both of them really.
Yeah.
You could see the experience there in both fighters.
Yeah, they're both knowledge.
None of them were fazed by anything their opponent was doing. They were both calm, both composed. Again, a well-even match.
Yeah, well-even match by Chris Bladen.
Both fighters patiently awaiting a decision.
You don't see any one-sided fights on JackHammer UK.
No. The home of entertainment.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together.
Two really solid fighters, really solid performance from both of them.
After 3 rounds, the judges have reached a unanimous decision. To the winner, in the blue corner.
And our winner is Dominic Sliwinski. Good win.
Very, very.
He really came into the fight in those final 2 rounds. Really started to find a home, some of his shots, and yeah, well-deserved victory.